Guess where we found ourselves this morning? What? A Cars and Coffee? Nuh-uh.
Nah.
We never do those. But you gotta have coffee in order.
No.
And cars.
Got a cleaner solution.
And cars.
And I'm actually out of Pepsi even at the moment.
And cars. It wouldn't be Cars and Coffee without cars. And coffee. I think we're gonna try to do something a little different today though. I think we're gonna try to walk around and just, well, have some fun with it. You're not a fan, are you? Oh. You know, the fact that you drive it is actually quite nice. So the fact that you drive it, I'm gonna shake your hand. Yeah. We're gonna get to go up to a balcony.
Look here, we found a kid carved his name in one of the posts of the barn. It's hard to see, but we cut that out and put that in there. We thought, well, that's kind of neat.
Thanks to Jerry for showing around us this lovely garage.
Thank you. Thanks for coming on.
And of course, it wasn't for the awesome cars sitting down there. May not even came into the garage. I don't know.
I'm glad you come in.
Appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
On the outside looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the highways on the sea, waiting for something.
Best shot in the place right here. Check that out. Check out the view. Pretty cool, huh?
But you act like gravity and you are pulling me. 'Cause you know what I want, babe.
Got new and old.
And then we get this one you get.
And new and old. Although one's a Ferrari, one's a Lotus. Whatever.
Now which one is this?
The science isn't perfect. Looks like the SCCA Rallycross decided to join the Cars and Coffee this morning. So let's take a look. So now it looks like I'm gonna get a chance to take a ride up there. I don't have a fixed mounted camera, so I can't do video while we're in it, but that's okay. We'll get on the outside. I got helmet hair now. Oh, we got some good shots of that. That was really fun. Thank you, sir, for filming
Hopefully,
that.
we'll see how the video comes out.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's tough finding you guys in the back corner.
Yeah, it's pretty dusty.
That back corner is like, okay, I think I see a white spot.
Without a fixed camera, there's no way you could have filmed that because you're being charged so much. All right, first experience on a rallycross, and positive. I was asked to say that you should bring your Sentra out and Spec V, and I'm like, yeah, probably not gonna do that. So what year is this one?
05.
Okay.
It's the Carrera.
Have you done anything to it though?
So
to increase any more power?
no, well, just it's got the muffler bypass, bad speed.
I know it's a different kind of spoiler than what will be on a GT3, but it's you're still getting that GT3 look, especially with the cage and stuff. So, huge Porsche fan. So I mean, always have been. Now in 05, what kind of power were they pushing then?
325.
See, that's still not bad. My name is Corey, by the way, and you are?
Peyton Carvel.
Peyton. All right. Well, Peyton's just kind of talking about his 911 here.
Yeah.
So it's a Carrera.
Yes.
So not a Carrera 4.
Nope.
Not a Carrera S.
Nope.
But a Carrera.
Nope.
With still 225 horsepower.
Yep.
And was it the 3.6 then?
Yep, 3.6.
3.6. Okay.
So 3.6, flat 6.
But now, curiosity, what is a Porsche that's 13 years old running nowadays?
You can get a 997 generation, which is 05 to 2011. Mileage, depending on if it's bone stocked, mileage-wise, those are pretty much your two factors, but anywhere from 27 I saw to about 27 up, but about lowest 27. You can get a solid one for like 27,000, under 100,000 miles.
Okay.
So, yeah,
That's still not that bad.
Yep, that's the reason I bought this, because I buy cars to drive them, and
Thank you. I'm going to give you an extra shake for that because
Yeah.
I meet too many people. Mind if we switch sides?
Yeah, sure.
I meet too many people that buy the cars and don't drive them. And
Exactly.
I don't understand that. It's like buying a house, not living in it, right?
Yep, to be honest, I bought this one with 145,000 miles on it. The more you drive it, the better it gets. That's how Porsches are.
So a lot of people get together in Porsche meets and brag how many miles they've driven on their car.
Exactly.
Where you'd go to a Ferraris and Lamborghinis and they would brag how many little miles
Exactly.
they have on the car.
Yeah.
What makes me such a big Porsche fan is because I like to drive.
Exactly. Entry-level exotic supercar, Porsche 911 being one of the cheapest too, like maintenance-wise. So I mean, I do my own oil changes. Cost me like 70 bucks. Do it every 3,000 miles.
Yeah, they take what, 8 quarts oil?
Nine.
Nine? Oh, there
They're
you
just
go.
9
Yeah.
quarts in the filter, and it runs. You just grab 2 5-quarts, and it's about 70 bucks for an oil change. And easiest oil change I've ever done. Literally.
So they
done.
even make the maintenance easy on these things.
Exactly.
Because there's some exotic you can't even do the maintenance on.
A lot of the guys, yeah, they just recommend doing it every 3,000 because the 996 to 997 generation had an IMS bearing problem. And just to kind of be proactive, just to keep your oil clean, check for shavings every time. And that's another thing I want to tell Porsche owners out there. The IMS bearing is it's how you feel. It wasn't a thing that's known to go out constantly. It was just a faulty in some of them. This one has never had the IMS bearing changed, and it's at 146,000 miles, and it's fine. So I'm just going to do it now because all the guys on the forum say if you can't drive it without thinking about it, you're not driving it. Go get it changed. So
There you go. But you drove it all the way from California. So did you fly out there?
Yep, I flew out there on a Monday, and then I got home by Wednesday. So for 3 days, I got it home. Drove it. So I drove a 150,000 mile Porsche. It was 1,800 miles home. I drove 8 hours straight going 85 in the Mojave Desert it was 120 degrees out, never overheated, nothing, just dead straight. So
Gorgeous.
that drive
That's
sold me on the reliability of a Porsche. So
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks. Peyton, right?
yeah,
Appreciate it. No,
Of course,
cross
man.
on you. Thanks for
awesome,
the
nice
time.
talking to you.
Nice talking to you, and yeah, we'll put you on there.
Cool.
Now, I'd say this would be kind of more the one to get, because now is this the style now? Because there was that one where they made those headlights kind of go
Yep.
wicked. This is
Yep.
the one that
Yeah,
they
the-
basically fixed the headlight part
Yep, the Porsche.
from the hated one, I guess.
Yeah, the purists hate the 996.
Well, awesome. Hope to see you. Now you got your car. Hope to see you some more
I'll be
more
coming
stuff.
out a lot more now, so.
Hey. Orange. Just in case you didn't know. More Porsches. Porsche. Not a Porsche, but still cool. Love that Z. And that's what we were just talking about. Those lights right there, the 996. Maybe not the favorite of others, but hey, it's still a 911 to me. I love it.
I show it. I saw a fire from the sea. I didn't know what it was telling me. Like Robert Zimmerman singing a song. Just gotta keep on.
Don't think I've seen that one around. There's another Skyline here that is over there that we've got in a couple videos. It's immaculate, love the car. That one, I don't think I've ever seen around here. But there it is, right next to a Nismo Edition SCR Spec V, which is inspired by that car. And the Spec V is mine. So they're like the same thing. So I do got a question for you. Something I've never asked you before.
you put out.
Did you get that shirt there in California?
Definitely.
There it is. It says supercharged. And this is a Toyota MR2. It's actually quite clean. But is it supercharged? That's the question. Is it?
Intercooler.
There's an intercooler. It does say supercharged right there. I'm gonna be honest with you, I never knew that they made a MR2 that was supercharged. There it is. Sharp looking car. I just use these guys for tires on my own car. Now I don't know if one of you were one of the ones that possibly put tires on a yellow SCR Spec V. This a Nissan.
Well, let's look it up. Let's do it. Good thing we got technology.
What's that?
No idea.
Got some tires on my car done not that long ago by these guys. If you want to introduce
Yeah, so we sell, deliver, and install tires. So anywhere in town,
and pronounce the name.
Zor, Z-O-H-R. So just hit us up on our website. It's zohr.com. It's super easy, simple. Book an appointment, hit us up, whatever. We're car enthusiasts, so it's super easy to talk to us. And if
Perfect.
you ever need advice, we're always down for it. So you can book, schedule an appointment, and do everything on the website.
So, but they go to you, so wherever you're basically at in a sense.
Yeah.
As long as you're not driving out to the Mojave Desert, maybe, I don't know.
Not right now.
Yeah.
Maybe soon though. Yeah, definitely.
But you mind? Let's take a look and see what.
Yeah, sure.
Let's take a look at your rig over here.
To jack up the cars, so make sure that we can pretty much get into any vehicle. These we use for the trucks, the three airbag, and then the two ones for anything that's lowered or lower, that sort of thing. We balance on site, we mount on site. Everything's pretty much, for the most part, leverless, and there's very little touching points if you go on mounting and balancing. So that's great. Allows us to do a lot of different wheels without damaging them. The convenience is kind of the big thing.
But appreciate it.
Yeah, anytime. Great
Thank
to
you so
meet
much.
Yep.
Pleasure to meet you. Nice pleasure to meet you guys too. And enjoy the rest of the show.
Yeah, yes, sir.
As I will. And I tried to do it. That's small. Mary, let's do a life-size comparison. Hold on. My hand. There it is. Look at that. It's the size of two of my hands.
So where did you find this at?
I might have actually exaggerated on that, but it is tiny. I mean, if you can look at the Miata. Look at the Miata. Front.
It's nice to have a park right next to it.
I don't know if the video is going to do it justice to show how small it really is compared to the Miata, but that looking at it, the Miata looks fairly decent size compared to this thing. Can I try?
Yes, go for it.
Let's try to fit into the smallest car I've ever seen in my life, out of Japan, anyways. Let's go. And it's a right side drive.
Legs under the steering wheel when you're getting in with the roof on. When the roof's off, you can stay up and slide.
So, kind of work the. There we go.
That's the twist. Once you're in there, not too bad.
You know what's funny about this? I can't fit in a Miata. I can fit in this better than a Miata. I mean, like this way.
You said that. Yeah, there's room. There's room next to you. There's room for your feet.
I just need a haircut is all, and I'll be fine.
Or cut too much.
And here's the other. I can open the door from the outside. This is quite small, but cozy. Thank you.
That's not bad.
So how much power does this have?
64 horsepower from the factory. It's probably down a couple by now. And it's a 91.
But then it probably only weighs like 1,600 pounds.
Yeah, 15, 16, something like that. Maybe 1550.
Yeah. Which
It's
is
just enough.
okay power for that kind of
Yeah.
weight.
And all the weight's in the back, and it's rear-wheel drive,
There you go.
mid-engine.
Pretty good.
Steering's great. Gearbox is fantastic. You know, I got it. It had 60,000 kilometers on it when I got it, so it's a Honda with 45,000 miles. That's nothing.
Now, is that really red line up to 8.5?
Man, it hits a limiter at 9,500.
At 9,500.
It hits the red line. Yeah, 9,500. It hits a limiter. And
That's
so they
crazy.
won't let it go more than that, but you can get it halfway through the red zone.
Now, what's the liter in this thing? Is this like is this a liter engine even? Or is this like a less than that?
It's 656 cc,
Okay.
so it's like a
So, yeah.
0.65
It's a little 3-cylinder with individual throttle bodies. It's, you know, it's limited to 600 and some cc's and 65 horsepower being the K class.
Yeah. I'm sorry, my name's Corey.
Michael.
Michael? I do a YouTube channel called Craving Cars.
Nice.
So, if you don't mind, we'll put your car on.
Fantastic. Love
Something,
it.
something different. Cool. Maybe take me for a drive someday.
Sure. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Okay, so the side effect of stopping and talking to a lot of people is you miss a lot of stuff, or people might leave before you even get to the car. So that's okay. That's why I've got walkthrough video shows of StoneGate with probably a lot of the same cars too. And that gives days like this a little more opportunity to enjoy nice weather and get a chance to talk to some people about the cars and obscure stuff and just have some fun with it, right guys?
Exactly.
Right? Right, Steve?
Yes.
Okay. I don't think he knows what he said yes to.
That he's buying lunch today wherever we want.
That's what I was asking. And he
Top
said
of the
yes.
Hyatt, whatever he's buying.
Porsche. Nice one too. Turbo S.
And across the line. Well, I can understand.